Whether you're looking for the best piano covers for weddings, or just a cheap piano cover for when you go on a trip and want to take your precious instrument with you, you've come to the right place. We've prepared a list of some of the critically acclaimed units we have come across while doing our research, and you can check them all out below. We've written many other articles over time, so we suggest you do a bit of reading on cello cases, find out what the most dependable trombone cases these days are, or select one of the most effective violin cases. In this video we are trying to review top 5 best piano covers in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Onstage Keyboard Dust Cover. It's said that good piano covers have to cost a pretty penny, but that isn't necessarily true with this one. For example, having been crafted from a quality spandex material, it is capable of withstanding the test of time, but what's more important, it stretches so that it can fit keyboards with 61, 76, or 88 keys. The model is accompanied by a plastic cord, a built-in bag, as well as a locking clasp that will make it very easy for you to put it on and take it off your instrument. The dust cover is convenient and user-friendly, and it fits the storage bag perfectly, which means that you'll be able to conveniently pack it when your portable piano keyboard is in use. Number 2. Onstage Gear 61/76 Key Keyboard Dust Cover. In many respects, this alternative is somewhat similar to the one we've also showcased in this selection, also made out by the same manufacturer. However, this one is compatible with 61 and 76 key digital pianos, so it won't work on 88 key ones. As is the case with some of the other products in this line, the Onstage 61 is highly affordable and convenient. It is made of the same spandex material you'll find in some of its competitors, and the stretchy properties of this fabric will allow you to use it on multiple instruments. You can even lend it to a musician friend if you want. Number 3. Gator GKC 1540 Stretchy Keyboard Cover. This option is available in 2 sizes. One of them matches 76 key keyboards while the other is a great fit for 88 key pianos. This model is manufactured of a mix of spandex and lycra, and both of these materials give it stretchy qualities. That's why the unit is compatible with a broad array of digital piano brands, for example. Even more, you can adjust its size even better since it comes with a shock cord whose length can be customized by the user. One thing that's worth mentioning about this product, though, is that you won't be able to clean it using the washer, as that might make it less expandable. Number 4. Hosa KBC 176 61/76 Key Keyboard Cover. Yet another budget-friendly alternative, the Hosa model makes it possible for beginning keyboard players to make the most of their instrument by expanding its lifespan. This cover is stretchy, convenient, and easy to use, and it is also fitted with a drawstring that makes adjustments a breeze. What's worth adding in relation to this product is that it is compatible only with 61 to 76 key electric keyboards, so do keep in mind that it doesn't work for 88 key ones. As is the case with some of the other units we have gone through, this one comes with a pouch attached, and you'll be able to use that to comfortably store the cover when you do not need it. Number 5. Casa's Stretchy Keyboard Dust Cover. Even though this cover is quite stretchy, there have been some reports from people who say that using it with an 88 key digital piano might be a bit of a nuisance, as you'll have to fasten it properly everywhere. On the other hand, those that have used it on pianos that have 76 keys, or on those that measure around 54 inches in length, have not encountered any issues whatsoever. Since there are a lot of mixed opinions on this topic, as some musicians actually say that it does work for 88 key choices, we suggest considering the measurements of the cover before deciding to order it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.